Okay, so now we are ready to code our taxi now that we have our taxi fully built. So what we're going to do is we're just going to continue to follow this tutorial and it's going to help your students learn how to code it. So the first thing it's asking them to do is start with the events and we bring that out there to get it started. So when program starts, that means we're pushing that play button down here in the top right corner. We are going to have it move forward and then it's going to turn right. So this is just giving you some basic movements to try. Now, something that was recommended is we are familiar with seconds because we can count. So Bianca mentioned like going ahead and using seconds. It may actually need to be some smaller increments if you are using seconds. But then same thing, you can have them do it for time and kind of explore that time and see like, did 0.5 seconds work for them to get a 90-degree angle, or do they need to do it longer? So what you're going to do is you are going to need to connect your hub to, which is this yellow part on your car. You're going to need to connect that to the actual computer system itself. So up here, you're going to click on connect and it's going to pull up a page like this. It's telling you to hold this little button. You got to click it twice. And once I click it twice, it's going to start glowing. Then I'm going to click open and it's going to pull up hubs right here. Now there's probably going to be multiple of them if your students are doing it at the same time. So they're going to pair to one. Then once they click on it, it's going to ask them to give their hub a unique name so they know that every single time that they are using the hub, they're using the correct one. Because if they start coding the wrong one, somebody else's car is going to be going in the wrong direction. So I'm going to go ahead and name mine with my first name just so that I know which one is mine. Then I'm going to select done. Now that my hub is connected, my car is built, and I have my code there, I'm going to click this yellow play button and I'm going to let you guys watch the car and see how it moves. So it moved forward for 2 seconds and then it turned for half a second. And as you can see, it wasn't a full 90-degree angle. So then the students could come over here and they could adjust the seconds. They could change this to longer forward. They could change this to longer turn and manipulate it. The next part of this lesson is asking you to go ahead and make some kind of route for your taxi to have to follow, and then allow your students the time to try to code their car to go through that maze that they created. And once they have done that, they are complete with the lesson.